Hello everyone, so welcome to my next video. So in this video I'm going to show you about general info in app-2022. So the purpose of this video is not about sponsoring, it's just about tutorializing, just show you how to do if you want to do an app for your earning money. So this video also work for you as well. So here I want to show you with general info like I tell before. So we talk about general first. General here we mention with names and icons. So you can see here this is an app name and this is a package names, and here is a version's name. And next one is an icon I have been created, and here is notification. For sure everyone with notifications you can change by yourself, or you can design. You can see the size of an app here. And for sure everyone, if you want to learn how to design, you can click on my video link here. You can learn how to design your app icon. And here just a normal thing, so we need to describe. And here we go with general. So in general you can choose a language, so it can be Arabic, Catalan, Chinese or Dutch, or any that your country. You can choose one. For info again, with this app you don't need to write any code, to just design by yourself. If you want to write a code, this video is not really work for you. You might find another video that is suitable for you. Yeah, and I just want to do more here, describe on apps descriptions. So it can have you can write anything like about I think the good thing about description is 30 words, and to 40 words is good enough. And here showing notice about update, it always yes to the users. So when you update something, so the user will see the notifications. And here access to password. If you design an app for a specific people to access, so you might add up your password. And next one is asking for confirmations to exist. For sure it's always yes here. And always keep on screen. If I mean like if an app is creating about radio, if you create about like MP3 player or about music, it might keep on screen and show up notification. Use customized to open external links. For sure you can click yes or no, it's up to you. And block to access, like block access from rooted devices. So you can say yes, you don't want anybody to access to your apps when they install to your phone. So here you can learn from this by yourself. I mean, I just want to show you some in here with privacy policy. You can have English, Spanish, Catalan, Dutch, French, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, and sorry, this one not Dutch, Dutch. I can't pronounce well, sorry. And Turkish and Arabic, and you can read this for sure. If you create an app, you need to read all of this. And here with sharing, just wait a bit. It's sharing here, and it's just a message that you so recommending to your reader. I mean, so you can say your title and you send in text here, and you click sales. And here a launching message. Launching message, I mean when the users install your apps, so they open the apps for the first time, it will show the message like you might say hi or welcome to my apps. or you can say another thing that you interested. Example, your app is about business, about like selling products. So you might say, okay, hello, welcome to my product app producting store. We have a new clothes for selling, like that. So you might say something into the users here. And here rating apps. For sure, when you publish into Google Play, so you might click yes and other the user to rate your apps, how good is it, or how much mistake or errors that happen into your apps. Yeah, so this video is very short things about introduction in general info. If you like the video, don't forget to hit subscribe and to get more video on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.